Hey everyone, welcome back to the Scallywag channel. We are here on this fine, beautiful October day to talk about a free boat.
Wait a minute, Professor Matt, free?
Almost without fail, a bad idea to accept a free boat because we all know they're never free. But what are we dealing with here, Mike? What do we have that we're sitting on?
Well, something that's probably, expensive. Nothing more expensive than free.
This is true.
But no, this is actually pretty sweet. This is called Dream Creation, and it's from Aspen. And when the owner of the company, Larry, decided to build these proas, so one hull's fatter than the other, they needed to do a test, a proof of concept.
Sure.
So it's just a cedar strip boat glued together, a little bit of fiberglass on it.
Yep.
But it's a single Yanmar, 110 horse.
Single, nice little Yanmar in the bigger side.
The bigger side, and go straight through the water. Super efficient. I think it's like 18 knots, 18 knots at 3 gallons an hour.
Right.
Super awesome.
So
this is like a big party patio here.
It is, yeah. The whole thing's like a total Lake Havasu party yacht is what it looks like. But so what are we going to do with it? We're not here.
Well, I don't know. So they actually could flood a lot of these compartments with water. In order to simulate the weight of a full-on cruising catamaran. But I don't know. I mean, we'll pull the engine and transmission. You can use an engine.
Sure, absolutely.
I know a sailboat out back called One Ocean that needs a transmission.
Oh, well, I mean, she does look pretty good down there.
Potential. I've got lots of electrical stuff. I mean, the whole chart plotter and switches and battery system, like all of that is totally usable in the shop for our training aids.
Lots of good gear. Hydraulic steering. The deck hardware is beautiful on it, so we're definitely going to be...
We can use the bimini and all the stainless for our canvas courses that we do.
Absolutely. And then I think just value as a training aid, right? Like letting students actually drill holes in boats to install through holes and things like that, which is kind of always tough to do at the school when we don't want them drilling holes through our personal boats and things.
Yeah, well, we take like a 1 inch and tell them, oh, we've changed our mind. You got to make it 1.25 inches.
Exactly, right. Yep. Perfect. So yeah, I think there's lots of good opportunity, and just thinking about, all the fun stuff we can do with it.
All the fun stuff. It's been stored for quite a number of years, so we're going to pull that motor out and give it a once over. The turbo's sort of seized up.
A little bit seized up.
But it's a good low hour engine, so it'll make a great trainer.
If nothing else, excellent training aid. So yeah, right away we're going to get that out of the boat, and we'll show you some more videos once we start kind of dissecting her a bit and decide what we want to do and play with it.
If you see it on the channel and you're wondering what it's been, this is it. It's sitting in the parking lot right now. So
just in case we get bored, with One Ocean out in the back there, and I don't know, the
Lady
electric cart, Lady M, not to mention new school year and a brand new batch of students.
Perfect timing.
Plenty of time. Yep. So, anyways, this is very cool. Big thank you to Aspen. For sure.
For the donation, because they want to pay it forward to school, and we're going to use it to the maximum for training.
Authentic learning experience, Mike.
Most certainly.
All right.
Awesome.
See you guys next time.
Thanks for watching.
Welcome to the Scallywags, located in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, where Skagit Valley College has been training technicians since 1968. If you are looking for industry certification and the skills to work in maritime, this is the place to visit. Our staff will share so much knowledge and experience, you will not be disappointed. The workforce demand is very high, and all of our graduates are working around the world. If this sounds interesting to you, schedule a tour and come check us out.